Good morning. Today topic is past adjustment with adjustments of salary and profit sharing ratio. Past adjustments with adjustments of salary and profit sharing ratio. This is a part of our second chapter, fundamental of partnership, and that is also important from numerical point of view. What is a past adjustment? See the meaning of past adjustment. Sometimes after closing of accounts of partnership firms, some errors or omissions in the accounts of the earlier years noticed. It means these are the errors and these should be rectified by adjusting the capital accounts of the affected partners by passing an adjustment entry. So how will you identify? This is the question of past adjustment. You will see these words, pass and adjustment entry. It means we have to follow these steps to solve these types of numerical. Step 1, prepare analytical table as follows. You have to draw the table according to the number of partners. You can increase the columns, but base will be same. Particulars, we are assuming here are only two partners, so we will draw the format. Particulars: A capital current account, B capital or current account, and firm. These accounts will be divided in two columns: debit and credit, debit and credit, debit and credit. Now whatever adjustments will be given, you have to write in particulars columns. For example, salary should be credited. Then what will be happen? You will write the amount of salary of A in credit side because this is income for A. And if B is also entitled to the salary, you will also write the amount in the credit side of B capital. But these two amounts are expenses for the firms. So you will make the total of these two amounts and write in the debit column of the firms. In this way, you will solve one by one. So you have first step is to complete this analytical table as follows. Now second step is correct salaries should be credited to partners accounts and total salary should be debited to the firm. पार्टनर्स के लिए सैलरी इनकम है, उनके अकाउंट में क्रेडिट करोगे. फर्म के लिए ये एक्सपेंसेस है, उनके अकाउंट में से डेबिट करेंगे. थर्ड स्टेप, रिमेनिंग प्रॉफिट शुड बी क्रेडिटेड टू पार्टनर्स. जो भी प्रॉफिट बचा है वो पार्टनर्स के लिए है, पार्टनर्स के अकाउंट में क्रेडिट कर दिया जाएगा इन करेक्ट प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. एंड टोटल ऑफ अमाउंट शुड बी डेबिटेड टू द फर्म. फर्म के अमाउंट से वो माइनस हो जाएगा. नाउ फोर्थ स्टेप, प्रीवियसली रॉन्ग प्रॉफिट डिवाइडेड शुड बी नाउ डेबिटेड. अगर कोई गलत रेशो में प्रॉफिट दे दिया गया है पहले, अब इनको डेबिट कर देंगे पार्टनर्स के अकाउंट्स में एंड दैट टोटल ऑफ दिस अमाउंट विल बी क्रेडिटेड टू फर्म एज ए इनकम. फिफ्थ स्टेप, मेक टोटल ऑफ ईच डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट कॉलम. उसके बाद हर डेबिट और क्रेडिट कॉलम का इंडिविजुअल आप टोटल करेंगे. नाउ सिक्स स्टेप, find the difference of each partner. In case one partner had debit balance, then other partner must have credit balance of the same amount. We have earlier said in 11th also, double entry system we are following. The total of debit should be equal to total of credit. The difference should be equal to all partners. The total of these balance should be equal. Now last step, seventh step will be past adjustments and pass the adjustment entry with the amount determined as per सिक्स स्टेप. इस स्टेप में जो भी अमाउंट डिफरेंस का आया है उससे आपको एक एंट्री बनानी है. नाउ विल डिस्कस दिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ सम एग्जांपल. सो वी आर टेकिंग द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल. A and B are partners. Their capital account stood at 3 lakhs and 2 lakhs. Profit for last year is 84,000. This profit by mistake were distributed in ratio 3:2 because here is written A and B are partners, and in we have studied ki in the absence of partnership the profit should be distributed equally, but by mistake they distributed the profit in ratio 3:2. This error should be rectified now by passing the adjustment entry. So we will follow the step. First of all, we have to prepare the partners adjusted capital account. Particulars: A partner, B partner, and firm. Each column will be subdivided into two columns: debit, credit, debit, credit. Now we'll rectify. First step, profit by mistake divided in 3:2 ratio, that will be taken back from the partners. It means the profit 84,000 wrongly credited, now debited in the ratio in which it was divided. Ratio was 3:2. So A के अकाउंट को डेबिट कर देंगे 50,400 से, B अकाउंट डेबिट करेंगे 33,600 से. दोनों को प्लस करके फर्म के अकाउंट में क्रेडिट कर देंगे. फर्म के पास दोबारा से 84,000 हो गए. अब फर्म इसको सही ढंग से डिवाइड करेगी और सही डिवीज़न था 1:1. So now this profit should be credited. It should be credited in equal ratio. A will get credit of 42,000, B will get credit of 42,000, and both will be deducted from the firm accounts 84,000. Now we'll make the total. इस सब का हम टोटल करेंगे. इंडिविजुअली डेबिट का टोटल 50,400, क्रेडिट का 42,000, फिर बी का डेबिट है 33,600 और इसका क्रेडिट है 42,000. फर्म के पास जितना प्रॉफिट था सारा डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो चुका है. डिफरेंस निकालेंगे. पहले ए का डिफरेंस देखते हैं. ए के डेबिट में 50,400 है, मीन्स ए से हमने पैसे लेने थे 50,400, ए को हमने पैसे देने हैं 42,000. द डिफरेंस इज 8,400. मीन्स डेबिट इज मोर. इट मीन्स इन जनरल एंट्री ए एक्सेस डेबिट will be debit balance. In this way, B debit total is 33,600, credit is 42,000, the credit balance remaining is 8,400. So B excess credit. On the basis of this is important. On the basis of this, we will create the entry. So A account should be debited because it has the debit excess, and B account should be credited because it has credit excess. On the basis of this conclusion, we'll make the entry. A capital account debit 8,400 to B capital account 8,400. So in this way, we have to solve a simple question. Now we'll take some tricky question. Second question. Omission in more than 1 year. एक गलती है जो बहुत सालों तक चल रही है, बाद में उसे पता चला. लाइक ए बी सी वर पार्टनर्स ऑन 1 April 2017. Their fixed capital stood at rupees 50,000, 25,000, 25,000 respectively. As per the provision of partnership deed, these are the conditions which should be followed by all these three partners. A was entitled to a salary of 5,000 per annum. All the partners were entitled to interest on capital 5% per annum. And profits are to be shared in capital ratio. Which ratio? Capital ratio. Capital ratio is 50,000, 25,000, 25,000. Means the net profit for the year ended 31st March 2018, 33,000, and 31st March 2019, 45,000 were divided equally. That is mistake. They divided equally, but even then they have to share in capital ratio, but they divide equally without providing for the above terms. Pass the adjustment entry to rectify above error. See how we'll solve the question. So see the solution. Adjustment table will prepare particulars. A, B, C firm debit credit will frame the format in the same manner, but we'll solve in this manner also. First, amount already recorded. Profits were distributed in equal ratio. That was a big mistake of year 2018, 2019. Now it should be debited. गलत जो प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुआ है 111 में, उसको वापस ले लेंगे. ए अकाउंट डेबिट कर देंगे, बी अकाउंट डेबिट होगा, सी अकाउंट डेबिट होगा. तीनों को टोटल करके फर्म के अकाउंट में क्रेडिट कर देंगे. ईयर 2019 का प्रॉफिट 45,000 था जो गलत डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुआ. ए से डेबिट करेंगे, बी से डेबिट, सी से डेबिट, तीनों को टोटल करके फर्म के अकाउंट में क्रेडिट. तो फर्म के पास अब 2 सालों के प्रॉफिट वापस आ गए हैं. पहले फर्स्ट ईयर को रेक्टिफाई करेंगे. 33,000 को क्या करना था? सैलरी टू ए 31 मार्च 2018, 5,000 ए को सैलरी मिलनी है. फर्म के लिए वो डेबिट हो गया है. क्रेडिट करेंगे फिर से 31 मार्च 2019. ए में क्रेडिट 5,000 और यही फर्म के लिए एक्सपेंसेस बना 5,000 डेबिट. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल सबको मिलना था. कैपिटल 31 मार्च 2018 ए के अकाउंट में क्रेडिट करेंगे 2,500, बी में 1,250, सी के पास 1,250. तीनों को टोटल करके फर्म के लिए एक्सपेंसेस बना. फर्म अकाउंट डेबिट 5,000. इन 2019 आल्सो सेम. ए अकाउंट डेबिट टू क्रेडिट 2,500, B account credit 1,250, C account credit 1,250, make a total, and the total amount 5,000 will be debited from the firm's account. Now we'll find out the remaining profit yearly. First of all, we'll see the profit of 2018. In 2018, the total profit was 33,000, and in year 2018, firm expenses was 5,000, then 5,000, 5, 10,000. So इन ईयर 2018 33,000 में से 10,000 फर्म के एक्सपेंसेस माइनस करके प्रॉफिट बचा 23,000. दैट विल बी डिवाइडेड इन रेशियो 2:1. सो दिस 23,000 विल बी डिवाइडेड इन 2:1. ए क्रेडिट 11,500, बी क्रेडिट 5,750, सी 5,750. मेक टोटल and 23,000 will be debited to firm account. In the same manner, 2019, 45,000 was the total profit, and expenses of firm is 5,000 and 5,000, 10,000 again. The remaining profit is 35,000. That will be divided again 2:1 ratio. Then A account is credit 17,500, B 8,750, C 8,750. The total will be debited from the firm account 35,000. Make a grand total of debit and credit separately. A debit is 26,000, credit is 44,000. Make a net balance. A having the credit balance of 18,000. B debit total 26,000, credit 17,000. So debit excess is there 9,000. C 26,000 debit, 17,000 credit. So A are also having the debit 9,000 and there is a nil balance in firm account. So this is conclusion. A account will be credited like this, and B account and C account will be debited with 9,000 and make adjustment entry. B current account debit 9,000, C current account debit 9,000, A current account credit 18,000. Why we have done mistake with this journal entry? Being interest on capital and salary not provided previously and profit distributed wrongly, now adjusted. So this may be the process to solve the problems. That's all.